recently went to New Zealand, and New Zealand serves one purpose, and it's to be the home of Lord of the Rings. And while I did buy a $20 ring from a street vendor there, I needed to do something better to celebrate having visited the setting of Lord of the Rings. And my first thought was Sting. Not this one. I'm talking about this guy. It's a short sword that famously glows blue when orcs are around. But a lot of people have already tried to make different variations of Sting, and I have disappointingly few orcs around, so we're gonna make something else. So what I'm eyeing instead is Frodo's cape, and granted his is green, but he's also not 6'5", and my feet are nowhere near hairy enough, but we make do with what we've got. So instead of Sting's glowing when orcs are around, this will glow based on what weather is coming. 15 minutes out, gonna change the colors. We don't have orcs, so this will be nice. Alright, so here's how it works. We request the weather data from OpenWeatherMap's API via Blue's wireless. We check the minutely data for 15 minutes ahead of time so that we're predicting the weather. We check that every 1 minute, and we have a bunch of preset colors based on the weather options we expect. Since none of these colors are green, we start the program off by setting the LED strip to green so we know when we've got weather data. We do fancy fades when we change colors, and yeah, that's about it. That's what goes into making a magic cape. Despite all my crazy projects, I still can't control the weather. So to demonstrate that this is actually working and not just a yellow LED strip, I'm gonna plug in the coordinates of somewhere where it's not currently clear skies. Quebec is where I live for sure. Rain. Good, thank you. Now I live in Quebec. That's right. It's drizzling, baby. Alright, it works. Now I can go wear it. As a cape. And now we have full-blown rain. Oh yeah. Bluer. You can barely see it on the camera, but whatever. Blue. Now, all that's left is putting it on a cape and wearing it. To house the electronics, we have this little travel pouch, which is fittingly from the New Zealand trip. Electronics go in there, cape goes over it, and our magic cape is online. Crap. Okay. Should work. Initial weather check. Yeah, clear. Clear skies, yellow cape. So now the only thing left to do is wait until nightfall and run around like a madman with my shiny cape. What's that? Clear weather? I do believe so. Hobbits. So there you go. Definitely not super anticlimactic because it's not raining or snowing or anything. I'll catch you on the next one. Hopefully you enjoyed Lord of the Ringsy. It's good. See you there.